So students, we are going to discuss the formula A plus B plus C whole square. So what is the result for this? Let's see geometrically. Consider this is a square with side A, this is A, this is also A. So the area of this will be A square. So this is A square actually. Now what we do, we extend this. We extend it by B. Let's consider this side is extend by B. This is also extend by B. So now the new square is formed. That is what? That is, now it is becomes, this is A, this is B. So this is actually B. This is also side B. So this is A plus B. This is A plus B. So the biggest square becomes A plus B square. A plus B whole square. So now, because this is not A plus B whole square, today it is A plus B plus C whole square. So we extend it by C. So this is right here. Extend it, extend it. So the new, this is the new bigger one formed. That is what? That is C, and that is also C. So this is A plus B plus C. This whole side is A plus B plus C. Similarly, this is A plus B plus C. So now we divide this into different areas, and then we will see what it comes out to be. Now let extend this. This is, and extend this. This will be, so what it comes out to be, this is the area of this region, this smaller region. This is what? This is A square. The region, this you can say the first one, this is you can say the second one, this is you can say the third one, this is fourth one, you can consider this fifth, and this you can consider as sixth. So this is what the areas are there. So let's see what that is. So this is A square, and if you take it first one, that is area of first, that is A square. Area of the second region, that is equal to this one. So this side is A, this is B, so this will be AB. And area of the third region, what that will be? So this is B, this is B, this is A, so this is AB. And this region, this one is what that is? Fourth one. So that is how much? That is B, because this is B, this is B, that will be B, this is B, so that will be also, this one is B. So this is B square. So B multiplied by B is B square. So this is the area of the fourth region. Area of the fifth region will be what? So this is what the fifth region is that. So this is, actually we can divide that into, if we want to, we can do that into simplified form, but I have taken this one as the big one. So this is, from this to this is A plus B, and this is C. So this is A plus B multiplied with C. And this region I have taken, this is A plus B plus C into C. So this is, the sixth one is A plus B plus C into C. So that's the area of this sixth region. So I have divided according to me. So that is what that is. That is area A square. That is AB, and that is also AB, and that area is B square. And the next one, this one is C multiplied with A, that is AC, plus C multiplied with B, that is BC, and C multiplied with A, this is AC, and this is C multiplied with B is BC, and C multiplied with C is C square. So we add up all of these and it comes out to be what? So this is A square plus AB plus AB plus B square plus AC plus BC plus this is AC plus BC plus C square. So we have added up all of these. This will becomes A square. So this is A square. Then is this B square. Write it accordingly. And then is C square. So write it on the square terms. Plus, so this is AB, it is 2AB. Plus, this is BC, this is 2BC. Plus, this is AC, that is 2AC. So all that is this one. So it comes out to be A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. So this is the final result for A plus B plus C whole square. Thank you.